So hello to all students. In today's video, I will guide you how to calculate regression and correlation coefficient and relevant things on a calculator. Now, this is your calculator, okay? And first, let me reset the calculator. Okay. First of all, you will click mode, press 3 to go into the stats mode, and then press 2. And you can see on the screen it says a plus bx. So this is the basic regression equation. So you press 2, then the calculator will ask you x and y values. So for example, in x you put 1, 2 and 3, and for y, relevant y values, for x is equals to 1, let's say y is 109. Let's say for x is equals to 2, y is 120. Let's say for x is equals to 3, y is 131. Okay. Now, once you have put all these values, you will press AC key and you can see the stat mode at the top. So you press shift and press 1 to go into the stats. And then for 5, you press 5 to go into regression. So press 5. Then if you want to know the value of A, press 1 and press is equals to. You see this is 98. Again, if you want to check value of B, press AC to clear the screen, press shift and 1, press 5 for regression, press 2 and then click equals to. So the value of B is 11. Then if you want to know the value of R, again press shift and 1, go to 5 which is regression, press 3 and press is equals to. So this is R which is equals to 1. So this is how you obtain all the values in this in the calculator, and this is how we do these things. Okay. So I hope that this will be helpful and it will save your time when you are solving regression and correlation questions. Thank you.